Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best glass erase board is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home or office, offering a sleek, modern alternative to traditional whiteboards that not only functions flawlessly for jotting down notes and brainstorming ideas but also doubles as a chic decorative element, transforming any space with its minimalist aesthetic and superior writing surface that resists ghosting and staining, ensuring your thoughts are always presented with clarity and impact. Number 5. Quartet Glass Desktop Whiteboard GDP 186. This desktop whiteboard is designed to fit perfectly between your keyboard and monitor. Its angled design ensures comfortable reading and writing, maximizing your available work area. Elevate your workspace with this premium glass dry erase board. Its sleek, contemporary design seamlessly blends with any decor, adding a touch of modern style to your space. This desktop computer pad has achieved GRNGURD Gold certification. This means it's designed to contribute to healthier indoor air quality. The non-absorbent glass surface allows you to write, erase, and rewrite with ease. It's stain and ghost resistant, ensuring your messages are always clear and free from distracting streaks. Keep your desk tidy with the convenient hidden storage. You can store markers and accessories in the pull-out drawer or use the accessory channel for quick access. Crafted from strong, durable tempered glass, this surface resists scratches and dents. It's built for long-term performance, making it ideal for your daily tasks. This board measures 18 by 6 inches and includes one dry erase marker to get you started. For optimal results, we recommend using Quartet glass board accessories. What we like? This one is designed to fit perfectly between your keyboard and monitor, maximizing your workspace. It also features hidden storage for your accessories, keeping your desk clutter-free. If you're looking for a sleek and functional addition to your computer setup that helps you stay organized, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect size and absolutely love the elegance of this. The design is beautiful and has plenty of storage. Very functional and keeping quick little notes and a cost saver from having to buy the little yellow stickies. The marker quality is to be commended and lasts for quite a bit of time. Very easy to clean and excellent addition to my office space. This product gives me two things out of the box: the ability to jot quick notes on a surface that is always at hand, especially during phone calls, and second, it efficiently uses space that was previously unused, while eliminating stacks of sticky notes that tend to clutter up my workspace. The surface is designed to look clean and neat, and it looks good on my desk. The panel feels sturdy, and the included hidden tray, which can be slid under either side, ensures I'll always have at least one whiteboard marker available at all times. The writing surface takes marking well. It also cleans up easily, with little to no whiteboard dust produced so far. This is a really nice addition to my desk. I'm glad that I got it, but I think the white version would be better. It got black to fit in with my other desk accessories better, but you have to get special dry erase paint markers to write on the black one, which are annoying to use and not as easy to see. So maybe go with the regular white version of this if you get it. Number 4. Brand's 24x36 Frameless Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard. Elevate your workspace and boost productivity with this sleek, frameless glass whiteboard. Its stain-resistant frosted surface delivers a clean writing experience, perfect for any setting. Built for long-lasting daily use, this high-quality board features shatter-resistant tempered glass and a modern frameless design. The surface won't ghost or stain, ensuring a pristine look. Install this board quickly and easily with the included hardware. It offers versatile vertical or horizontal mounting to fit any office, classroom, or home. Enjoy a non-porous, ghost-proof surface that wipes clean every time. It's ideal for everyday writing, drawing, and erasing without any leftover marks. We are a team of designers and innovators passionate about providing well-designed products. Our goal is to help you feel inspired and organized. What we like? This board offers a sleek, frameless design that looks modern on any wall. Its stain and ghost-resistant surface ensures a clean writing experience every time, and it's easy to mount. If you need a large, stylish whiteboard for your office, classroom, or home that's built to last and simple to set up, this is the one for you. What people say. On camera, this has a great soft look. Make sure to use markers designed for a glass whiteboard and not a regular whiteboard, or you'll work a bit harder to keep it clean. Microfiber cloths clean this really well. This is a nice modern-looking glass dry erase board. This replaced one we had up in our dining area. It served as a place for the kids to draw, for school stuffs, like working through math problems, and tallying points for board or card games. The glass whiteboard itself is excellent, sleek, sturdy, and writes erases beautifully. Number 3. Quartet Desktop Glass Whiteboard GDE 119. This board offers flexible use for your workspace. You can lay it flat for comfortable writing or prop it upright for better visibility. Enhance your desk with this premium glass dry erase board. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to any office decor. The non-absorbent glass ensures a clean surface every time you write, erase, and rewrite. It resists stains and ghosting for clear communication. Keep important papers handy with the included removable clip. It also conveniently stores your dry erase marker when not in use. This package includes the desktop glass dry erase easel, a removable clip, and a dry erase marker. Enhance your experience with Quartet glass board accessories, sold separately. What we like. This desktop glass board is incredibly versatile, allowing you to lay it flat or prop it up as an easel. The removable clip is perfect for holding documents and even your marker. If you appreciate flexibility in how you use your workspace and need a compact, stylish note-taking solution, this board is ideal. What people say. The glass surface is incredibly smooth and durable, no ghosting, no scratches. It also just feels more premium when writing on it, and erasing is effortless. This board comes with all one needs to start using it immediately, including a fine-tip black marker with built-in eraser and a clip with a cord to attach it to the board. This is a pretty thick glass writing tablet with a white background. I keep it on the desktop in my office and I love the clip-on pen holder attachment that can be removed if needed. It's very high-end, contemporary looking and looks sharp on the desk. Number 2. Quartet 74x42 Glass Magnetic Whiteboard. Experience a modern, floating look with our frameless invisible mounting system. It creates a sleek appearance and offers an edge-to-edge writing surface. The vivid white, high-contrast glass surface ensures your handwriting is always clear and distinct. Enjoy a clean slate every time you write. This wide format board is non-absorbent, making it stain and ghost resistant. You can write, erase, and rewrite without distracting streaks. It meets strict GreenGuard Gold standards for low emissions, contributing to better indoor air quality in any environment. Crafted from durable, tempered glass, it resists scratches and dents, making it ideal for heavy use. It's designed for long-term performance. Easily display papers and documents with the included high-powered glass board magnets. It offers a convenient magnetic surface. Installation is simple with the included template for horizontal mounting. The invisible mounting system ensures a beautiful, hardware-free finish. What we like. Experience a clean, floating look with its invisible mounting system. This wide format board is also magnetic, allowing you to easily display papers and documents. If you desire a minimalist aesthetic for a large writing surface and need the convenience of magnetic display, this board is an excellent option for a professional setting. What people say. The glass surface is superior to a traditional plastic whiteboard surface. The surface cleans perfectly every time using a microfiber towel or traditional whiteboard eraser. The marker tray is very secure and does not fall off, contrary to another review. The magnetic strength is fine, contrary to other reviews. It even includes 2 magnets. Number 1. Glass Desktop Dry Erase Board. Keep track of all your important notes, reminders, and to-do lists. This smooth glass surface lets you jot down anything you need without leaving your desk. Everything you need is included to get started right away. Use the markers to write and the eraser to easily wipe the surface clean when you're done. Tired of a cluttered desk? This organizer helps keep your workspace tidy. Store your markers, eraser, and other accessories in the built-in compartment. Maximize your workspace with a dedicated slot for your smartphone and tablet. It even includes a convenient charging slot to keep your devices powered up. This sleek black board is designed to fit perfectly on your desk. It sits conveniently between your monitor and keyboard, always within reach without taking up too much space. What we like. This desktop board is designed to be your ultimate workstation companion, featuring a dedicated slot for your phone or tablet and built-in storage. It also comes with multiple markers to get you started right away. If you want to elevate your home office or study area with a clutter-free, tech-friendly setup, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This desktop whiteboard has been great for keeping me focused on my daily task list. I can jot down a few things I want to accomplish and it stays within sight, just beyond my keyboard, while I work away. It has a nice amount of storage inside as well. This fits on my desk and I can jot down things to keep me from forgetting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.